Ever feel like you're navigating a labyrinth blindfolded? You know there's treasure, opportunity, better way, but you just can't quite see the path? That's how a lot of businesses feel, especially in today's complex, fast-paced world. Now imagine having a map, a powerful tool that illuminates the way forward, showing you exactly where the gold is buried. That tool, in many cases, is NetSuite. But here's the real question. It's not just about the tool, is it? It's about what you can do with it. What opportunities does it unlock? What doors does it open? That's what we're diving into today. Before we jump into the tangible, let's paint a picture. Think of a business struggling with disconnected systems. Sales, inventory, finance, customer service, all siloed, creating bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Decisions are made on outdated data, leading to costly mistakes. Growth is stunted, and the competition is pulling ahead. Sound familiar? Now imagine that same business implementing NetSuite. Suddenly, everything is integrated. Real-time data flows seamlessly across departments, providing a single source of truth. Automation streamlines processes, freeing up valuable time and resources. And with powerful analytics, the business gains deep insights into its performance, enabling it to make informed, strategic decisions. That's the transformative power of NetSuite. But what does that mean for you? What specific opportunities are we talking about? Let's break it down. Opportunity 1. Enhanced operational efficiency and automation. NetSuite is designed to automate core business processes, from order management and inventory control to financial reporting and customer relationship management. This automation eliminates manual tasks, reduces errors, and improves overall efficiency. For businesses, this translates to significant cost savings, faster processing times, and increased productivity. But for you, as an individual, this opens up opportunities in several areas. Firstly, as a NetSuite administrator or consultant, you become the architect of these automated workflows. You're the one designing and implementing solutions that streamline operations, making you an invaluable asset to any organization. Secondly, as a user, you gain access to powerful tools that simplify your daily tasks, allowing you to focus on more strategic initiatives. You're no longer bogged down by tedious manual processes. Opportunity 2. Improve financial management and reporting. NetSuite's financial management capabilities provide real-time visibility into financial performance, enabling businesses to make informed decisions. From budgeting and forecasting to revenue recognition and compliance, NetSuite simplifies complex financial processes. This creates opportunities for finance professionals seeking to leverage technology to enhance their skills. As a NetSuite finance expert, you can help businesses optimize their financial operations, improve accuracy, and ensure compliance. You can also become a trusted advisor, providing insights and recommendations based on real-time data. Furthermore, for entrepreneurs and business owners, NetSuite provides a comprehensive view of their financial health, allowing them to make data-driven decisions and drive growth. It empowers you to understand your cash flow, profitability, and overall financial performance. Opportunity 3. Streamline supply chain management. NetSuite supply chain management features enable businesses to optimize their inventory, procurement, and logistics processes. By providing real-time visibility into inventory levels, demand, and supply, NetSuite helps businesses avoid stockouts, reduce carrying costs, and improve delivery times. This opens up opportunities for supply chain professionals seeking to leverage technology to enhance their expertise. As a NetSuite supply chain consultant, you can help businesses streamline their operations, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. You can also work with businesses to implement advanced supply chain planning and execution strategies. For businesses, this translates to a more agile and responsive supply chain, enabling them to adapt to changing market conditions and customer demands. Opportunity 4. Enhanced Customer Relationship Management, CRM. NetSuite's CRM capabilities provide a 360-degree view of customers, enabling businesses to personalize interactions, improve customer satisfaction, and drive sales. From lead management and sales automation to customer support and marketing campaigns, NetSuite helps businesses build strong customer relationships. This creates opportunities for sales and marketing professionals seeking to leverage technology to enhance their skills. As a NetSuite CRM expert, you can help businesses optimize their sales and marketing processes, improve customer engagement, and drive revenue growth. You can also help businesses implement advanced CRM strategies, such as customer segmentation and personalized marketing campaigns. For businesses, this translates to increased customer loyalty, higher conversion rates, and improved customer lifetime value. Opportunity 5. Global business expansion. NetSuite's multi-currency, multi-language, and multi-subsidiary capabilities enable businesses to expand their operations globally. By providing a unified platform for managing international operations, NetSuite simplifies compliance, reduces complexity, and improves efficiency. This opens up opportunities for professionals seeking to work in international business. As a NetSuite global business expert, you can help businesses navigate the complexities of international trade, manage multi-currency transactions, and comply with local regulations. You can also help businesses expand their operations into new markets. For businesses, this translates to faster and more efficient global expansion, enabling them to tap into new markets and drive growth. Opportunity 6. E-commerce integration. NetSuite's Suite Commerce platform provides a comprehensive solution for managing online sales, from website design and development to order management and fulfillment. By integrating e-commerce with back-office operations, NetSuite helps businesses streamline their online sales processes and improve customer experience. This creates opportunities for e-commerce professionals seeking to leverage technology to enhance their skills. As a NetSuite Suite Commerce expert, you can help businesses build and manage their online stores, optimize their e-commerce operations, and drive online sales. You can also help businesses implement advanced e-commerce strategies, such as personalized recommendations and targeted promotions. For businesses, this translates to increased online sales, improved customer satisfaction, and enhanced brand reputation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.